Technical and Community College is a real asset to this community.
We are a region that is really heavy in manufacturing, transportation, so skilled trades is critical to be able to provide the skilled workforce.
We wanted to make sure that we are training the latest and greatest stuff. So we always go back to our community partners, our industry partners, and we say, hey, what is it that we need to be doing here? And we listen.
A lot of students are just shocked that we have all the top of the notch level equipment. And same thing with like our industry partners. They're able to see that SCTCC can train students more thoroughly now.
Skilled trade programs are just critical to make this community thrive and to grow.
And there's plenty of jobs. So right now we are having probably 50 jobs to every student that graduates. So there's a huge demand for jobs.
So St. Cloud Technical and Community College was founded in 1948. Our mission today is to provide the education, training, and support necessary for equitable participation in our economy, our society, and our democracy.
Their role is to work together with business and industry and match the skills that are needed by those businesses and industries with the students in the training that they provide.
There was discussion when Electrolux closed about how do we make sure that this community thrives with the loss of 900 jobs.
And we were able at the city to access a federal grant to hire and bring on an economic recovery coordinator to work with us for that 2-year period and really position the city in mitigating any negative effects from this closures.
And we really came together to say, okay, what can we do to address those workforce needs in central Minnesota?
And they identified 4 target industries for our community. They were in automation, precision manufacturing, food equipment manufacturing, and business software and applications. One of the things they said they really needed was they wanted to see the higher education system in the community really skate to where that puck is going. How do we train students in that future workforce for the skills that are necessary for automation, precision manufacturing?
And the vision for the Advanced Manufacturing Center was born.
And St. Cloud Tech and Community College really stepped up to the plate. They saw the vision and they saw the opportunity to combine their electronics and their mechanics and manufacturing into a mechatronics.
The Advanced Manufacturing Center is a state-of-the-art training facility for both industry and students to be able to use this space to get the training that they need through traditional classroom environment or customized training. So with the addition, we added more space, more physical space, but we were able to add a lot of state-of-the-art equipment. So we believe we are the first college to have an industrial metal 3D printer. So we have the ability to actually print in a stainless steel metal. We have the advanced robot trainers with visioning system on it and fenceless operation. We have a new cobot that's on our FMS cells that we have. It's a robot that doesn't have to be protected by guards. It's a robot that you can work by and it will sense you and it'll detect that you're there.
We have 7 robots now in comparison to 4 back when I was a student. The instrumentation process control trainers, back when I was a student, there was 1, now there's 8. There is a water jet cutter that is brand new.
I think the innovation that was shown in this project, it was the ability to take, again, something that was very shocking to the community in terms of losing our largest private employer and turning it into a real gem and an asset that can be marketed for attracting other businesses and industries.
I think it's innovative in that it creates a hub for our students to come together from our different manufacturing programs, and they get to learn from each other and they get to see how each of the areas interacts and are integral to making sure that a manufacturing organization has everything they need to be able to grow and to be responsive to the economic market.
I think what's innovative about this space is the collaboration that we have with the community partners and industry partners to be able to have one space where we can all come together and work on a project together.
Those things don't happen without collaboration and support. So I think just as the college is outstanding in this space and in the space that we've created, I think our community is outstanding when we come together and we really show what we can do together to be creative and to make sure that our students thrive, their families thrive, and our community thrives as a result.